if you start in the mouth, from here you're going to go through the oropharynx and then laryngopharynx, and then that food stuff would be moved into the esophagus. Right? So here's your esophagus, just posterior to the trachea. Right? Remember, this is a muscular tube that's going to stay closed unless food stuff is passing through it. Right? And as far as the mucosa here, you're going to have stratified squamous. This will make its way down through the diaphragm, eventually draining or dumping that material into the stomach. So here's your cardiac region of the stomach, fundus, body, and pyloric region. We saw the rugae here.
Well, I'm actually going down.
So that would be the stomach. From there, you would pass through the pyloric sphincter into the duodenum. That duodenum is where you're going to end up completing digestion, or pretty much completing digestion, and then moving that material into the jejunum. At the initial segments of the jejunum, you'll finish digestion, and then most of this region of the small intestine then is going to be involved in absorption, as will be the ileum. So jejunum, ileum, absorption. The ileum is going to continue until we get to the ileocecal valve, where it then drains into the cecum. There's the cecum. The cecum then is the start of the colon, which, if we were comparing this to the human anatomy, you would initially start with the ascending colon going up, the transverse colon going from right to left, the descending colon making its way down, sigmoid colon back to the center, then the rectum and the anus. As far as the accessory structures or organs, here's your liver. Remember, the liver is responsible for producing bile. That bile then is going to be stored and concentrated in the gallbladder. Right? The gallbladder will drain that bile into the duodenum via the bile duct. The next accessory structure is going to be your pancreas. Right? You see the large pancreas here, right? And you see part of it here draining into that duodenum via the pancreatic duct. Right? So all of those digestive enzymes that are secreted or produced here will be dumped into that duodenum. I think those are it.